All right, let's just jump right in. If you've ever found yourself setting up, say, a three-camera shoot in a huge venue, you know the feeling.
Oh, yeah. The cable mess.
Exactly. You've got power cables going one way, video lines, control lines.
Yeah.
It could be a real nightmare.
It's a huge pain point, and that's exactly what we're looking at today. A piece of hardware that's really designed to solve that one specific problem.
Right, the Datavideo HBT-30. It's a three-channel HDBaseT receiver. So our mission here is to figure out how this one box really changes the game.
That's the goal. How does it let you just ditch all that clutter by funneling video, power, and control for three different cameras down a single Ethernet cable?
And that's the core of it, isn't it? The HD-based technology. That's what makes it all possible. But my first question is always about quality. I mean, when you're pushing power and a high bandwidth video signal down the same wire,
You'd think there'd be interference, right?
yeah, does it degrade the signal at all?
Well, that's the amazing part. It really doesn't. You're getting a full, uncompromised, Ultra HD 4K video signal. We're talking 4K at 50 or even 60 frames per second.
Okay, that's impressive. And the power.
That's the other key. It's simultaneously pushing 65 watts of power over Ethernet PoE to each of those three channels.
65 watts is a lot. That's enough to run a professional PTZ camera directly, right? No more separate power bricks at the camera end.
No more power bricks. And the distance is what makes it so useful for professional work. With a good CK 6A cable, you can push that 4K 60 signal and the power up to 100 meters.
100 meters. So that covers pretty much any arena, convention hall, or auditorium you'd be working in.
Absolutely. And that leads to the biggest draw of the HBT-30, which is the scalability. It's not just one camera. This single box is managing 3 HDBaseT cameras.
So wait, instead of 3 separate little receiver boxes back at the switcher, you just have this one unit.
Just one. It completely cleans up the control room or the production truck.
Okay, so the 3 cables come into the box. How does it then talk to the rest of your gear? Your video switcher, your camera control unit?
It just integrates perfectly. On the video side, it gives you 3 separate HDMI 2.0 outputs, one for each camera. You just plug those straight into your switcher.
Simple enough. And for controlling the cameras.
It handles that too. It's passing through those control signals. We're talking professional standards like RS-422 or DVI-P.
And for anyone listening, those are the rock-solid protocols that let an operator, 100 meters away, finely tune things like the camera's iris or call up presets without any lag or failure.
Exactly. This is not some consumer-level remote. It's a proper command and control setup.
The technical specs on this must be pretty serious to handle all that.
They are. The video bandwidth alone is 18 gigabits per second to maintain that 4K 60 signal. Plus, it has all the compliance stuff you'd expect, like HDCP 2.2 support, and it's even TAA compliant for government or high-security jobs.
So let's bring this all together. For you, the person actually on the ground planning to shoot, the HBT-30's value is it's pure efficiency, isn't it?
It's all about saving time and labor. You are literally eliminating 6 extra cable runs for a standard 3-camera setup.
Think about teardown time. Wrapping up 100 meters of 3 different bulky cables all taped together, that's a job.
Oh, it's a huge job. This simplifies everything.
So that leaves us with a final thought for you to consider. When you weigh the cost of labor, the hours spent on setup and teardown, and just the mental energy spent troubleshooting 3 separate signal paths, how much is that one centralized box actually worth to a production crew working under pressure? That's really the question, isn't it?